Yo, in today's video, we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix one simple step in how to fix the big problem people have been facing with their PCs and their microphones. Why the volume on your microphone is changing. Now, I fixed mine with one solution. I checked for updates, everything didn't work. It was always changing every few minutes. Every time that I was recording, it would have gotten like 70 or like 44, and that would have been way too low. So how I fixed it is, I'll show you guys real quick. I had an application, actually two applications. I had an application called Real. Somebody texted. I had an application called Realtek Audio Console, and it automatically changed. I think it was doing it. It was automatically changing my volume on my PC on my microphone. If you go to here, it was changing, but now as you can see, it's not changing no more. As you can see, it's still at 100%. I touch it. It's still at 100%, and it didn't change. The problem was this was actually messing with my audio. And another thing as well, I also deleted this because obviously we have an audio interface with a denoiser with my condenser microphone, so we do not need this anymore. This Nevada Broadcast, or however you say it, Nevada Broadcast, was causing that to happen as well, because in the software, it was actually causing my microphone to change by itself, like the volume on the PC on my actual sound settings. So that's how I fixed it. I deleted all those, checked for more updates, and just kept an eye on it, and it hasn't changed yet. So let me just go in and check again. Let me see. Nope, it did not change yet. That is a good sign, actually, that it's not changing and that it's working perfectly.